Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set a home in your XPeng navigation. So first, if we want to set up our home, as you guys can see here, we want to click on the home icon. We want to make sure that we are in the maps right here. Now we want to tap on set home, and once you tap here, you need to enter the home address. So what I'm gonna do is uh, I'm gonna do that, and here we have a lot of options. Now I'm gonna choose the first one, and as you guys can see, the home has been added. Now if we want to drive home, we just tap here, and as you guys can see here, we have um, some kilometers left on arrival. We got three options, so this is the third way. Here we have our home, and also this is the shortest one through the entire city. So that's what you guys can do. Also, you can see how many kilometers and battery percentage you will have on arrival, and that's how you guys can do it. That's how you guys can set up your home. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.